Hello lovelies, and welcome back to another video. Today's look is going to be a dewy look with a soft bronze finish. So let's get to it. I'm starting off with my moisturizer as always. I love my Baby Johnson. And I'm going in with this Illuminating Glow liquid from MUA that you can get anywhere in like Boots or Superdrugs. And I'm just going to apply that all to my face with my fingers and just patting that in. Going to apply my lip oil. I almost forgot. This has become a new routine for me. I do this just before I do my makeup. Time to hide the eye bags. Gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Just to let you know, we will not be setting this with powder this time. And yeah, I didn't actually realize how long it takes for me to kind of dab my concealer in. I had to like speed up the video 10 times. I'm now going in with a highlight liquid from Urban Decay. This is going to give the skin a nice dewy look, and I'm also going to and I'm also going to dab this in with my fingers. I know it looks pink, but it will blend, trust me. It's illuminating. So you can go in with a sponge or with your hand or with your favorite brush. Any is fine, as long as you kind of just blend that in with your skin. And yeah, and it will give you a healthy glow. Shimona, keep dabbing. Okay, next I'm going with another highlighter. This is the Baby Glow Touch, and I used this in my last video. This also gives a really nice natural. These kids are screaming outside. It also gives you a nice little glow as well. If you haven't got this product, don't worry, just use any sort of highlighting liquid or illuminating liquids that you have. Liquid / cream is probably best for this look. Next I'm going in with my Wet n Wild contour stick. So as you can tell, I'm kind of focusing on more creamy products this time to really give off that dewy look, and then just go in with any beauty blender and blend that all in. When you're blending products into your skin, especially colours that are a lot darker than your skin, please take your time, really work it in, especially with cream products, because it can look a little patchy sometimes. So yeah, just have patience and keep blending and blending and blending and blending. With my chin, I'm going in with a brush. The reason why is because it's a larger area and I don't have the patience. I'm such a hypocrite. I don't have the patience to blend it in with a sponge on my chin, so I use a brush instead. But yes, make sure you take your time and work it in. I went in with my powder bronzer because this has a little glitter on it, and just lightly fluffed it around my whole face. It's just giving you a really nice sun glow. In a minute, you're going to see a bit of brush fluff stick to my cheek. There it is. Oh my days. Do you know how irritated I was while editing this? I can't believe I didn't notice that it was there. Look, I take my time applying my cream colour base and I still haven't noticed it. I come so close to the camera and I still haven't noticed it. Okay, look, okay. Give myself a second now. Do you notice it? Look, girl, look. Yes, there. Okay, cool. With this cream base from MAC, it's literally what it says. It's very creamy. It's got almost an illuminating finish rather than a glitter finish, and it's actually non-sticky as well. Going in with the same bronzer that I used on my face and cheeks, I'm going to use it on my eyes. This is just so that everything looks a little in sync. I'm going to be using this on the outer edge and on the inner corner of my eye, leaving the middle of my eyelid still a little glittery from the cream base. Just wanted to say, this is actually one of my favorite bronzers that I've ever owned. That's why I'm using it so sparsely, but you'll see it in a lot of my videos. It was actually a gift from my boyfriend, and I can't bring myself to pay £75 myself to buy it, a new one. So I'm going to use it for as many years as it lasts me. Going in with a blush really quickly. I'm just going to fluff my cheeks literally for like 10 seconds and that's it. Moving on to the eyebrows, let's not forget them. They are very crucial. I'm going to try and attempt to make my brows straight. I've never done this before, but I'm going to try. As you can see, my brows are an arch, so what I'm trying to do is fill in the bottom of my bottom arch, if that makes sense, to make an illusion basically that it looks straight. And then I'm gonna go in with a brow gel and then comb my hair downwards. So did it work or did it not? I don't know, you guys tell me. I think it was okay. My brows are kind of dark, so I just about got away with making them look semi-straight. Like, I don't know, I tried. Next is the eyeliner. This is one of my go-to eyeliners. I always use this, either a black one or a brown color, either works. The reason why this is my favorite liner is because the brush is pretty short. It's also very sturdy and it's not like a paintbrush, so this gives me a lot more control over when I do my flicks and when I line my eyes. Today's flicks are going to be a little bit straight. I start off with tight lining my eyelids, my upper eyelids, and then I go straight onto my flick in the outer corner, and I only drag it in the quarter of a way basically, and everything else is tight lined underneath the eyelash. Going in with the exact same bronzer that I use on my face and my lid, I'm just going to lightly brush underneath my eyes. I don't know what that's called, but underneath the eyes. Going in with one more cream shadow. This is a glittery one, and I'm going to line the bottom of my lashes. This kind of gives your eyes an illusion of a more of a larger eye, especially with Asian eyes. They're a little bit on the smaller side, so this is a really nice touch to make them really pop. Yes, I am satisfied with them. Time for my favorite part, eyelashes. If you was to ask me if I'm more of an eyeliner girl or an eyelash girl, I would say eyelash girl. Mascara all the way. Does anyone else like blink after every comb they do? Blink comb, blink comb, blink comb, like how I do. I've seen some girls that just keep their eyes open, like wide. Did I say mouth or eyes? They keep their eyes wide open, and I swear that is a talent. Last and not least is the lips, and I said that with emphasis. I'm using two products here, I'm blending it in. Maybelline Baby Lips, and then I'm going in with a jelly tint. Recently I've been loving jelly tints because they're just been the best thing ever. Any sort of jelly tint, lip tint, water tint, any works. On with the hair, I actually didn't have no idea how I was going to do my hair. As you can see, I'm going to end up playing around with it so many times. Didn't know what I was going to do, but we got there in the end, so it's fine. As mentioned, I went back and redid my lips. I just felt like they were a little bit too red for the look, and I went in with some Fenty lip gloss, and here's the final look. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I was dying in the heat recording this.